yes, I do have dandruff. If I were to do my texturizer over, I would have left a lot more texture in my hair. I feel like that's the best part of my hair.
See, now that's the kind of thing that would...
When I tell you. What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I'm gonna be finally doing a TEXLAXED hair routine or whatever. I know y'all have not gotten a video with my TEXLAXED hair since I did it, which was a little over 2 months ago. I have not gotten a touch up or anything, and I won't be getting one for a long time, which I'll explain in another video. But yeah, so I'm rocking it out, you know what I'm saying, roots growing in and everything. But I wanted to go ahead and get y'all a TEXLAXED hair video because I will be doing a keratin treatment on my hair today because my ends, honey, I'll probably be doing a trim too. My ends, they don't look bad, but they are bad. I think they like got over processed when I did my relaxer or whatever, and I just have not cut them. Like I said, it's been a little over 2 months and I still have not cut my ends, so they're getting a little crispy, okay? And it's due. It's due for some TLC to my hair. I have not been... You see it, I ain't been doing nothing to this hair. Like, I'm just really surprised it's not breaking off and not like shedding crazy. I just really don't even understand how I still got hair on my head. Like, I literally been neglecting my hair. So today, I gotta get my life. I gotta get this together, girl. So I just took it out of a ponytail, and I guess before we start, I'll go ahead and show y'all my new growth, which y'all will see later too once it's washed. And yes, I do have dandruff, and I think that might be from getting relaxers because I normally don't have dandruff, but ever since I did the, you know, relaxer texturizer, I got dandruff, girl. So yeah, there's my little bit of new growth for a little over 2 months. That's how I'm looking. And like I said, today is just gonna be a TLC type of day, keratin treatment, silk press, and just trim. About to get it together. Wow. I'm using the d.i.y products, the Currific textured hair wash. I know I don't have like curly textured hair no more, but I mean, I haven't really went on a new haul for my TEXLAXED hair. I do want to get some more d.i.y products, and y'all, I really like d.i.y because it's pH balanced. It's catered to like color treated and chemically treated hair, so I love me some. Okay, like the green tea care, I love all of the d.i.y stuff. I'm gonna have to pick up, you know, some more of their products, but I just had this, you know, leftover sitting there in my cabinet, so I'm gonna use this. I haven't used it yet on my TEXLAXED hair, so it'll be a first. Then I'll be using the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I probably should do a protein treatment today. Honestly, I just don't feel like it. You want to do those like every 6 weeks when you have a relaxer or color treated hair or whatever, blase. So I'll be doing a protein treatment really soon. I feel like I do need one, but for today I'm kicking it lazy, okay? And I'm doing a 2-minute reconstructor. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5-10 minutes, but you know, I'm taking the easy way out with my TLC today. I have tried this before just on my natural hair. I think like when I colored it, it's amazing. I think this is like halfway full. I love this stuff, so I cannot wait to see how it acts on my TEXLAXED hair. Like how that shampoo made my hair feel. I don't know, I feel like my Carol's daughter do a little bit better of a job, because like I feel like my hair is softer when I wash it with the Carol's daughter, but you know, it cleaned it. It's clean, so I guess it's all right. But yeah, I'll just give y'all a quick view of how my hair looks. If I were to do my texturizer over, I would have left a lot more texture in my hair, but it is what it is. That's how it's looking. And with my new growth, it's like OMG. Look at that new growth. Hold on. Wow. growth is serious. And I don't know, I think I could find a better shampoo than that. I'm not really in love with that shampoo for my texture now. I loved it when I was natural, but with this relaxed stuff, I don't really know. It ain't really doing that for me at all. Moving on to the keratin treatment. Hopefully this will come through. I am so sure that this is gonna come through for me. It has to. If it can come through for my natural hair, it gotta come through for my relaxed. Like, it's just no way. I'm going in. I'm going in. This is one thing I love about being TEXLAXED. Y'all gonna hear me say relax and TEXLAXED, honestly, because it's the same thing. But this is one thing I love about it. There is no more detangling for me. I'm so happy about that. I really don't even care much about the texture of my hair, honestly, because I don't really wear my hair like curly or, you know, textured anyway. I think this is just the best part, that I can just run a comb through my hair. I really got to put it into them little sections and take my time and get my dimming brush and all of that. I could just take me like a wide tooth comb and just, I just love it. I'm definitely noticing my hair is taking a little bit more time now that my new growth is coming in. But like when I first did my texturizer, like I could just literally go front to back, choop, choop, but you can't do that when you got two different textures. You're gonna rip all of that hair off. So you do need to do like a little bit of sectioning and, you know, start from the ends and go up to the root, because you got the relaxed hair and then you got the natural, you know, up there if you like transitioning or if you just stretching or whatever you doing. I think that's like the hardest part of being relaxed, TEXLAXED, is that like growing out phase or that new growth phase, because dealing with two textures is not fun. I can definitely see it being easy if you know, get your touch-ups like every month. That way you're not even really dealing with a whole bunch of new growth. But for me, I won't be getting a touch-up in a while. So I'm gonna have to deal with a lot of new growth. And yeah, I'm not really too happy about that. I'm not really looking forward to that. But it is what it is. And I'm gonna just leave this on for the remainder of my shower, let the steam get to it, give myself a little shower steam treatment, and then I'm gonna just rinse it out. All right, so yes, and yes, hallelujah, okay, to that keratin reconstructor. Like when I was rinsing that stuff out, like it was just like butter. So I really like that stuff. I feel like it definitely did a little, you know what I'm saying? Did a little. See my little curl, my little bit of weak texture trying to pop. Really, for me to have texture, I gotta like scrunch it because I got all these like straight pieces. But you can see, like, yes, that brought it out. Look at them. I feel like that's the best part of my hair. I wish it all came out like this. That's like the best freaking part. That little curl right there. I am loving that 2-minute reconstructor. Like, I knew it was gonna come through. I know it. Like, it's making my chemical curls pop. Like, I am feeling, oh, this feels so good. My hair ain't felt this good in a minute because the struggle just didn't real. My hair feels so good right now. So I'm about to go in with my Afro-G Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor. I'm using this as like my leave-in conditioner, and I'm also using my argan oil. I love this oil so much because it's like so heavy. It's not like super heavy to where it's like greasy, but it's like super moisturizing. I just love it. It gives you like a really good shine. Girl, I'm telling you, this is drugstore stuff, and I'm in love with it. And I like putting my oil on my hair before I blow dry. That helps that sheen to just like set in place. And listen, it's everything. This is the best my hair felt since I entered into the TEXLAXED world. Like, my hair feels so good. My ends don't even feel crispy and crunchy like how I was talking about before, because my ends felt really over processed. But I feel like that keratin treatment, girl, I tell you, the Apogee products are really designed for like damaged hair, chemically treated hair. Like, my hair feels so good. I think I'm still gonna get a cut, because as y'all can see, my hair is kind of uneven because I had an asymmetrical bob. I cut it into like a blunt bob, but I feel like I didn't cut it all the way even, and then like I got a little bit of breakage like up here. Not really, but really, I don't know. Yeah, I just want to get it trimmed like more evenly. I actually might go get it done. So yeah, I might be doing that real soon. But here is my final result. I love it. I am just so happy. I think the Apogee products are definitely gonna be my new go-tos, like for sure. I'm definitely gonna be doing like a haul with some Apogee products, because I need them in my life. I need them to stay. It's like my whole TEXLAXED hair update. I guess quick little length check, even though I'm not really interested in keeping track of my length right now. I'm just really not. I'm not like doing the every 3 month thing and seeing how long it got. I ain't doing all of that. I'm just honestly probably gonna keep my hair in like this, like a blunt bob shape for a while, because I actually really like the whole bob. I like being shoulder length. I really am effing with it right now. So I'll probably actually stay here for a while. I also want to cut a little bit more of my hair off to get rid of like those straight ends, because as y'all can see, my texture kind of, it got a little weird, you know what I'm saying? It didn't get even all the way through. So I do want to, you know, cut it and, you know, get all those like super straight pieces off, because I didn't want super straight hair, but some of my hair turned out like that. So, but other than that, I am still loving my TEXLAXED tone. Yes, girl, I love it. The best thing about this TEXLAXED life, honey, is that I don't have to worry about sweating my hair out. I don't have to worry about going outside and this poofing up. Like, this stays straight. It just stays straight. I can go outside 90-degree weather and I'm good. My roots probably gonna puff up, okay? My roots is natural. I got about 2.5 months of natural up in my roots, so I don't know about them. But it's for my hair, like, it stays straight. I don't have, like, it's just, I don't think y'all understand. I was always like a straight natural anyway, so relaxing for me was the best decision, because it cut down my time on doing my hair. It helps me to keep my straight hair longer, and it's so much easier. I love it. I love it so much. That is it for my 2-month TEXLAXED hair journey, silk press keratin treatment. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. Just a little update, little silk press for y'all, so on my new hair texture and everything. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you're not, and make sure to subscribe to my favorite channel, TT2TV. It's always down below in that description box. Thank y'all once again for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.